Hey guys, Chris here. I'm working on this 58 panhead and I'm going to pull this pinion gear. And before I do that, I obviously have to remove the pinion nut that's holding it on. If you have a big twin between 1954 and 1992, so that's most panheads, all shovel heads, and most Evos, you're going to have a left-hand thread pinion nut on it with flats like that you need a special socket to remove. There's a few things that make the Fast Eddy Co socket better than all the other ones you're going to find out there, especially the cheapies that are floating around. One is the drive hole is a true broached square drive hole. So a lot of the others I see have holes drilled in each corner and then are connected with an end mill, which would round out a little bit easier. We also have a feature, there's a groove in there that holds that on your socket. So you can see a little groove. And then third and most important is the material this tool is made out of. So this is not a cheap steel. This material has roughly double the yield strength of like a 1018 mild steel. And so it's not cheap. It's built to last and it'll do just that. Use it like a normal socket. You're obviously going to have to hold this unless you use the impact. The service manual always tell you not to use the impact. I'm of the opinion that in situations like this, it's fine to use the impact to remove it. It's always preferable to use a torque wrench to put it back on when reassembling to final torque. But you just take your impact, make sure it's set up left-hand thread, so righty-loosey, and then buzz that thing off, and there you go. And when you put it back on, you're going to have to hold it to keep the motor from rotating. So Fast Eddy Co is in the process of developing a locking tool for that, and we'll have that out very soon. To use a torque wrench, there's not very many torque wrenches out there that'll do left-hand threads. Some of the nicer snap-on digital torque wrenches will work for left-hand threads. Most of us, we can get the common half-inch drive deflector beam style. So that's available, and it's a hell of a lot cheaper, and it works just the same. So there you have it. Fast Eddy Co Pinion Nut Socket. Get yours today. It's one of the best values on the website.